Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best electric pruning shears that are available. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. On the market. Starting at number 5, we have Scott's Cordless Power Pruner. You don't need to drain your bank account to acquire a reputable electric pruner, since this model from Scott's will do a great job. The electric pruner is suitable for pruning trees, flowers and other light plants around the garden. The ergonomic cushioned handle provides a comfortable gripping surface to eliminate fatigue and allow you to focus on the work. Is it your first time at WORX with an electric powered pruner? This model is designed to accommodate even first-time users. Thus, the tool features a dual-pole safety feature for quick cutting through when working. On top of this tool only weighs less than 2 pounds, so holding it with one hand is comfortable. Moving on at number 4, we have Milwaukee Electric Cordless Shear Kit. The heavy-duty material construction of this pruner guarantees its durability. The blades are made of rust and corrode resistance materials, while the handle has impact-resistant materials. This means that the tool cannot easily get damaged in case you accidentally drop it. The motor of this electric shear pruner works pretty fast, empowering it to cut up to 2 inches of branches. At number 3, we have Serene Life Electric Pruning Shears. As per the previous customers' reviews, this electric power pruner can also be used to trim tree branches. The best part is that this cordless shear pruner is cordless, and thus, moving around to work is easy and comfortable. This pruner is powered by a 7.5 lithium battery with varying cutting power depending on the size of the branch or plant. The battery can run for a while and cut up to 800 turns if the branch has a thickness of 0.3 inches, 700 cuts for 0.4 inches and 80 times for 0.7 inches. This tool has quality blades that provide clean cuts without damaging the tree to give an even finish to the garden. Other than using it to prune tree stems, you can also use the tool to prune flowers and other shrubs. At number 2, we have Makita Cordless Grass Shear. You don't need to hire a lawn maintenance company to trim your grass, as this tool is easy and comfortable to work with. The height of the shear adjusts in varying heights for comfort when working on different sizes of grass or varying areas at home. This Makita pruner brand has a powerful motor that works at a high speed to deliver excellent results. This also makes it easy and efficient to work on various types of grass. And finally at number 1. Comac Cordless Electric Pruning Shears. From trees to flowers, there is no limit to the plants that you can use this shear pruner to trim or cut. The tool has a lightweight design to ensure everyone, including people with arthritis, can comfortably hold the pruner to work. Also, the pruner has safety features like the cutter head cover and double switch starter to prevent unnecessary accidents when working in your garden. Do you always find it hard to trim bushes or trees in dark areas? This pruner shear is meant for all areas. It is equipped with an LED light that provides illumination when working in a dark area,